Okay, so it's set to maximize clicks. I want to go to manual CPC. Hey guys, this is Ike, and I will go over how to set up your Google Ads account, how to set up your Google Ads campaign, and how I optimize. And this is very beginner friendly, so I hope this would help you out a lot. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm just in the overview page, and let's go to accounts. Well, specifically, I'm in my manager account, so I just want to choose my account. I'm going to go to my affiliate website account, okay, that I just made. Um, okay, so no campaigns yet. So, okay, you could either go to here and set up a new campaign, or you can go to the campaigns tab on the left widget, and then select new campaign. Okay, and you want to set up your goals. All right, do you want to drive sales to your website? Do you want to just get traffic, get engagements? Do you want to get brand awareness? Um, yeah, do you want just like people to start to get know you? You want to definitely choose your goals. Okay, so for me, I tend to go here, create a campaign without a goals guidance, and I just choose my own thing. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to do search. Okay, search ads, and let's do website visits. Okay, so this is my website, best best back best back bestbackbracereviews.com. Okay, select the results you want to get from this campaign, websites visits, link there, continue. Okay, type as a search campaign. Okay, let's rename this campaign. The back brace review search one, just whatever. Okay, and you go to networks. Okay, you want to you want to include this search network here, but for I'm just working on a small account, so I don't want to have this display network. Uh, this is only good for if you're a big brand, or if you did your brand awareness right, and this might be good for retargeting or remarketing in that aspect. So I don't want to do that. All right, location. I want it to be in the U.S. Target people in or who show interest in your targeted locations is recommended. I'm going to go ahead and ignore that and go to the middle one, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. Okay, exclude people in your excluded locations. Select the languages your customers speak. Okay, English. Audiences. Okay, I don't really have this. May be good for remarketing, uh, something like displaying campaigns and stuff like that. So don't worry about that right now. This is a search campaign. Okay, budget. Enter the average you want to spend each day. To get, I mean, I say the lowest start with 5, but to get some kind of data, I think you should do $10 a day if you can. But of course, if not, maybe just do 5 a day. All right. What do you want to focus on? Okay, for me, I just want to focus on clicks. Okay. Okay, this campaign will use a maximize clicks bid strategy to help you get the most clicks for your budget. This is automatically set. Let's see if there's other options, or select the bid strategy directly. Okay, so it's set to maximize clicks. Okay, however, I want to go to manual CPC. Okay, I want to set my own max CPC. Alright, now it says setting bids manually may result in lower performance, but I'm going to go ahead and ignore that because I do want to control my own costs. Okay, so now that we're down to add extensions, you definitely want to add extensions as much as possible. If you're a physical business, you do want to do call out extensions, call extensions, right? Add a phone number, site link extensions, to your testimonial page, contact us page, and stuff like that. You could also click to the lower left over here, and you can do app extension if you have an app for your business, message, yeah, a lot of things, location extension, lead form, so you can play around with this. Okay, now you want to say your ad group. Okay, so here, since mine is a small account, I'm going to go to my web page. Okay, so I have one product here, okay, on the right side, major back pain relief in just 16 minutes of movement. This is a program, an affiliate program. Okay, and also I have affiliate links to the back brace products. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take one for now. Okay, and I'll set this. Okay, so for the ad group, I'm going to type in the product that I want to promote. Okay, so I'm going to go to my handy worksheet that I created. Okay, and I made this before I do anything on the actual ad account. Okay, so let's see, the Mueller 255 lumbar support. Okay, I'm just gonna follow this. Okay, default bid. Okay, default bid on it. I don't know, I'm just gonna put in 1. You might just want to do some keyword research on your own. Okay, and double check on this. I'm just gonna put 1 for now, and then I'll just look at it later. So anyways, there's suggested keywords over here, but you could also again go to keyword planner, Google keyword planner, on the tools bar over here, right here, and then you can play around. You could do a little research. Okay, I'll do another video on how to do that, but for now I'm just gonna go to again my worksheet. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to keywords I want to test out. Okay, okay, so I set up the keywords that I want to test out here. Okay, and I'm using the broad match modified keyword match type. Okay, there's four types of match type, basically: the broad match, the phrase match, exact match, and broad match modified. Okay, so you can definitely look this up on your own. What I like to typically use is the broad match modified type here, by adding a plus sign before the each keyword. Okay, so that's typically what I like to use. A lot of people like to use phrase match as well, but that is for you to decide, or you can test out both at the same time, whatever you want to do. Okay, so next. Okay, so for each ad group, we recommend you create at least 3 ads that closely relate to the theme of your keywords. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so we're in the create ads section now. Okay, and it says here for each ad group, we recommend you create at least 3 ads that closely relate to the theme of your keywords. Okay, so ad group here, keywords over here. Now we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down and we're gonna see. All right, we're gonna put this in final URL, headline, headline 2, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, um, display path. Okay, you definitely want to have them go to the right place. Okay, description 1, description 2. Okay, add URL. Okay, and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the ads, and I'm gonna type it here, and I will get back. Okay, so far I created 2 text ads, and when I try to do the third one, this responsive search ads come up. What this is basically it's going to have you type in all the headlines and descriptions, and whatever they think it's going to be the best ones that resonate with the audience. They're just going to put it out there. So you could also test this out as well. Okay, so I just put down all these headlines and descriptions. I'll just start out with this. Go save and continue. Okay, and then it says congratulations, your campaign is ready. Okay, so this page with the ad groups come up next. Okay, so you see the ad group right here, the Mueller 255 lumbar back brace that I put in. Okay, gonna go ahead and click it, and it's gonna show all the keywords that I put in. Okay, and of course there's no data yet on how many clicks or impressions, click-through rate we have since we just put it out. Okay, but you'll get to see that eventually. Try to see if you can get like 50 to 100 clicks to get some kind of data. Okay, and work it out from there. That's what I recommend. Okay, and when you go to ads and extensions tab on the left, you'll see that the ads that I have are under review at the moment. Okay, I mean it takes about 1 business day, or I mean even less. It's pretty quick. It'll be pretty quick. You'll get to know if you passed or not. So be patient with that. Wait. Okay, now so I found out the extensions that I wanted in there about the About Me page wasn't included. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Ads and Extensions tab on the left. Go to Extensions. Okay, and go to create a site link extension. Okay, it's going to say add to ad group, so select that. Okay, put in the site link text, put down about me. Okay, you could put in description. You can, or you don't have to. It does say it's recommended, but I'll leave that up to you. I'm not going to put it down for now. Okay, and I'm going to put the final URL link in there. Okay, and then you can just keep on going. So you would put down other stuff like contact us, testimonials. Those are recommended, I would say. Or you could go to your products page, whatever you want to do there. The site link text would help you out with that. Okay, so remember that. Okay, you're also going to want to go to the keywords tab. Max CPC, you're going to want to control this. Okay, so you can read that. That's the highest amount you're willing to pay for a click on your ad. Okay, so you'd want to definitely manage this. Okay, so I'm just going to put down like $1 for now. And your goal is to try to reduce this if it's getting so many clicks and impressions that you're blowing up your account. Then you're going to want to reduce this little by little and test it out. You want to get more bang for your buck, right? So that's the point of that. Okay, so be careful and just closely monitor that. Okay. Then what you also want to do is go to the ads and extensions tab, and then just click on one of those links, okay, and see if it's working. You just definitely want to test that out, okay? Because if it's not working and you're promoting it and people are clicking it, you're still paying for it. So you definitely want to double check on that, okay? And yeah, it's only been like a few minutes, but see, these ads been approved, so that was really quick. Okay, so you can go to the overview page and you can look at all this, all the things you've done. It'll show more data later on, and then you can play around with it. I'll maybe make another video on how you can look at the data and see how you can optimize. Okay, so also don't forget to use negative keywords. So you go to the keywords tab here. Okay, you go to the top tab next to search keywords. There's negative keywords right here, so you click that, and then you click the plus sign right here, add negative keywords or create new list. Okay, you go to ad group, and then you just keep putting in your negative keywords. Okay, so pretty much I put in all the keywords that I did not want my ads to show when the users type in. So something like definition, blog, careers, free, how to. See, those don't really do any good for me, or they're not really relevant to selling my products. So I definitely want to add that. Go ahead and put in save, and yep, it's all here. Okay, and there you go. Yeah, that's going to be everything from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you saw, please subscribe and comment, like, and share, and I will see you in the next video.